In this video, we'll show you how to claim CCA or capital cost allowance on a rental property in both TurboTax Online and TurboTax Desktop. You'll need to know your CCA class number. For new buildings, this is Class 1, and the UCC, or undepreciated capital cost, of each property you want to claim allowances for. If you haven't already finished filling out your personal information and reported income, make sure you do so before beginning this process. If you're using TurboTax Online, skip ahead to the Rental Property section by going to Tax Home and typing Rental into the search bar. Select rental properties from the list of results. On the rental income screen, note the information that will be needed to complete this process. Select Continue to be taken to the rental profile screen. Make the selections that apply to you, then select Continue. Fill in all applicable information on the real estate rental statement, then select Continue to move on to your rental income. After filling in this information, continue to Rental Expenses, where you can enter expenses related to the rental property. Again, select Continue once completed. Select Done with Vehicles on the following screen, which will bring you to the T77-6 Capital Cost Allowance for your assets screen. Select either Enter UCC balances from prior year or Enter additions or dispositions in current year. Fill out the capital cost information for your first asset. When you're finished, select Done with CCA. For TurboTax Desktop users, skip ahead to the Rental Property section by selecting Find and entering Rental into the search bar. Select Rental Property from the list of results. On the next screen, select Yes to answer the question, did you receive income from a rental property? Note the information that will be needed to complete this process. Select Continue to be taken to the Real Estate Rentals Statement page. Fill in all applicable information for your rental income, selecting Continue as you complete each screen. Be sure to include your expenses related to the rental property. Enter the details for any purchased equipment and property and any equipment or property disposed of during the year. Make sure you know the class number for each entry. Complete the capital cost allowance schedule, including the UCC for each property. Fill out separate rental statements for each additional property, then select No once completed. Once you reach the rental summary page, select Done with Rental Income to finish this process. For more answers to your tax questions, visit turbotax.ca/support.